the Mazda Miata replacement battery from Deka. Now, we do get a lot of questions about these, and I'm hoping that this video is going to clarify that for you. These batteries that we sell are from Deka under part number HAMU1R. And these fit Mazda Miatas, both NA and NB series, from 1990 to 2005. A lot of the questions we get are based on the NA and NB fitment. As long as the battery is installed in the trunk of the vehicle, this is the correct unit for you. So again, 1990 to 2005, both the NA older model and the NB newer will take this particular battery. So let's dive into the battery itself. This is a sealed AGM battery. Why does it need to be sealed? It's because it's installed in the trunk. You'll see on the battery, once you go ahead and pull up the trunk cover, that you have two vents that are going to be on your old battery. It's the same deal with the new one. These have a round tube. Your old one probably has a little bit more of an oval shape. It will still connect to the round tubes of the HAMU1R for safe venting outside the vehicle. If it's an AGM battery, why do we need to vent? They need that in case of a catastrophic failure. If your charging system runs away and the voltage and amperage and throws 100 amps at your battery for an hour, it will cook the battery, it will gas. Those tubes being connected are crucial to make sure that the fumes don't fill up the car as you're driving, because they're hazards, so it vents to the outside of the vehicle. The second would be if there's a dead short in the battery, something catastrophic happens and a failure in the plate, it could cause gassing, again, vents to the outside of the vehicle. The HAMU1R itself, fully sealed AGM battery. It is an American-made product out of Pennsylvania. We're very happy to sell American. It's 320 CCA and 32 amp hours of actual capacity. So you're looking at a higher capacity and overall better performance of the battery compared to some of the alternatives that you see general purpose style in the market, and head over heels higher performance than the original battery that came with the Miata. You're looking at an all-around performance upgrade package for starting for your Mazda Miata. If you guys have any questions on this, our team is here to help you. We do have actual battery specialists on hand that have installed these in the Mazda Miata. Total installation time comes down to your skill level, but it shouldn't take you any more than 5 minutes to do this. You got a simple positive and negative terminal connection, battery cable style, and then you're going to connect your old tubes directly to the vent caps of the battery itself. Again, this fits all models, 1990 to 2005, for batteries that are located in the trunk of the vehicle. NA and NB, no distinguishing factors matter in terms of NA versus NB for this particular battery. It does fit both models. If you do have any questions, feel free to hit us up on our website. It's www.techbatterysolutions.com. We have a live chat feature that is manned by actual people right there that we can help you out with. Or give us a call, toll free at 1-877-775-4381. We have a live chat here, connect you again to a real person that can give you a hand. Or if you email your thing, feel free to reach out at orders@techbatterysolutions.com. If you guys like this video, absolutely subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. There's a lot of different ways to reach out to us. We're very active on all of our channels. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.